Stay with me. Stay with me.
I want to throw this in the water.
Okay.
Oh,
Did it wash down?
I found some more, though. I found some more.
Okay. You're gonna send it down the river?
Where is it going?
Down there.
I don't want to fly all the way.
Get off of that.
What is it all the
Let's go see where it goes. Come on, let's go see where it goes. Let's go see where it goes.
Okay. Oh, he died. Eyes closed. It says it's going to the sewer.
No, I don't think it's going to the sewer. I think it's going down there to feed those fish.
It's like gonna fill up the bathtub.
Mm-hmm.
It's like gonna
I'm
fill
gonna
up
fill up the. Okay, come. Don't get on
What's
that.
the big fish?
I don't know. Let's look for it.
Eye closed.
Mosiah, get back. I need you to stay behind. Yeah, right. Exactly. I need you to stay behind this. Okay.
Oh,